Okay, here's my 1978 PE250 Suzuki. Bought it a little over a year ago. Needed a lot of work. Main bearings were shot, crank seals were shot, carb needed rebuilt, lights didn't work, missing the tail light, bumper was clogged. It had plastic dip green all over everything from the previous owner. It had no bumper plate. We got new brakes, new tires. I put a new chain and sprockets on it. It's got new main bearings, new crank seals. The top end was relatively new. The piston was still new when I bought it. Carb's all been redone. New needle and seat, new jets. I got a new intake boot, air box, new air filter, new air box boot. Got the lights hooked up. I put an FMF muffler on the back there and painted that. New cables on it. I painted the engine and the pipe. Got high heat paint, VHT. So, yeah, it looks good. Looks a lot better than when I got it a year ago. And, the CDI box was bad, so I got a new old stock one, all the way from Tasmania. And the stator was bad too. I got a new old stock one of those from Finland. I had to search a lot for parts. But anyway, there it is. So it runs good, looks good, and it's a fun bike to ride. So that's it.